What's up, guys? Okay, so I'm always talking about Harper. So before we talk about assignment 3, I want you to meet Harper. Wave at him, Harper. Say nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Say be safe out there.
Be safe out there.
Yeah. So this is Harper. She is 4 years old now. What's 4 look like? How many's 4? Okay, good, good. Can you count to 20?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yay! And remember 15. We always forget 15. All right, so I'm going to get Harper to go upstairs and eat a snack, and then I'll tell you about Module 3. Okay, so, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighbor. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? All right, so, directions. I'm going to go ahead and read them to you. Just so you know, like, this is what you're going to be graded over. And there's a rubric with a checklist, and like basically you got to do that stuff. Each thing here is going to prompt you. And normally I turn you more loose on this, but since we're doing this through the internet, I'm trying to give you as much guidance as possible. So directions. Module 3 paper. The big question is, and what you have to answer and argue for is, what is love? Okay, so choose one theory from the article, What is Love? 5 theories. That was assignment 2, right? You did 2 of those. You picked one theory you agreed with and one theory that was the counterclaim, okay? So, and apply that theory to A Midsummer Night's Dream. Explain how this theory is demonstrated, how it's shown in the play. Use at least 2 pieces of evidence from the play to justify the theory you've chosen. Must use another theory from What is Love? 5 Theories article to develop a counterclaim and form a rebuttal supported with text evidence, okay? So you got to use text evidence from that article, What is Love? 5 Theories, and you got to use text evidence and quote it from A Midsummer Night's Dream. And I have links for that on here because I know you don't have the book with you of the play. So I have different links, and if the first one doesn't work, try the next one, okay? And those are at the bottom. In fact, I'm just going to go there right now. At the very bottom of all this, here's these links. Midsummer text number 1 link, click here. If that doesn't work, try number 2. If that doesn't work, I have a no fear translation here, which, you know what? You might want to try that one first because that gives you a direct translation, which I did not do on purpose until now. So like as you go in and you're kind of like on your own with some of this, that no fear translates it in just normal basic English. Okay? I'm going to go back up to the top. And this paper just kind of, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time, right? So just take this, right? Paragraph 1, introduction. Summarize how love is developed through A Midsummer Night's Dream. Just kind of summarize it in this little box here. Like, how is it developed? So about 3 to 4 sentences on that, right? Define love in your own words. Okay, just your definition of love. You're going to choose one of the 5 theories. Love is chemistry. Love has many guises. Love is a passionate commitment. Love drives all great stories. Love is free. Yeah, binds us, right? Explain this theory in your own words, okay? And then thesis. Here's my theory, the first part of that sentence. Here's my theory. Love is this because, I'm going to say your 2 reasons just in one sentence, real quick and easy, right? Love has agency. Love is chemistry. Love is fate, right? Love is fateful because of this and because of this. Then you get your thesis statement. You're going to open up each paragraph with your stated reasons from your thesis. Make sure you follow the same order as your thesis. And I'm going to have to pause here. But paragraph 1, you give your theory, you give your reason, you give your evidence, and then your citation. And I say how to cite there. I got to stop here, and there'll be a new video next. It'll be right here embedded, hopefully if all goes well.